some ullage. On your tables before you, you'll find two ISO tasting glasses, one filled with white and one filled with red. The white should be to your left. The left wine is a Sauvignon Blanc 2006, of which we are particularly proud. This was just released 3 Sundays ago. Already it has won gold at the All-Canadian Wine Competition. 2006 Sauvignon Blanc. I'm proud of this. I had a part in assembling this wine. Unlike New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs that are straight stainless, or the Loire Valley Sauvignon Blanc like Sancerre, which are in oak barrel, this combines the two. Quarter of it was put into 3 brand new French oak barrels. The remaining 75% was in stainless. The barrels were racked once into the stainless, and then that amount of wine went back in for another month and a half and was drawn out on March 7th. It has the best of both the modern, new style Sauvignon Blanc and the old world Sauvignon Blanc. You'll find that it has that typical gooseberry and fruit, a bit of melon in the nose, but that grassiness, that lovely sense of walking through an herb garden in the spring in the nose. So on your left, it is a 2006 Sauvignon Blanc. This wine, as many of the top-end wines, anything that you see the word terroir on, these wines are only available here at the property because it's a limited production. So I give to you 2006 Sauvignon Blanc.